Hello guys, hope you're fine and doing well. In this tutorial I want to tell you guys about the aggregate functions. What are the aggregate functions? SQL provides grouping in aggregate functions into operations just like relational algebra. In relational algebra we have aggregate functions like sum, average, count, min and max. We are also having the same things in the DBMS and in the SQL. So we have this aggregate function in both relational algebra and also in relational database management systems, and we are using in SQL. We are coming to the aggregate function. We will know about aggregate function, that what they are really. Here I have selected these 5 things, this 5 aggregate function. We will tell you guys about these 5 functions in details. First is the sum. As we know, the sum in the algebra, in the relational algebra, we add value like 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 3, 100 plus 100 is 200. The same things in relational database management system. In the SQL we are doing the same things. The sum is the function. When we use the sum, it is adding all the data. For example, we are having 10 IDs in a group. We are having 10 IDs, or we are having salary. By this function sum we can add all the salaries, all the staff salaries. The second one is average. As we know in the relational algebra that we can have the average by adding all the numbers and dividing by the amount of the numbers, the size of the number, we will get the average. The same thing we have in the DBMS and the SQL. We are using average function to show us the average. That can be average of staff, that can be average of staff salary, And keep in mind something, that sum and average is only with numeric inputs. We cannot say that a plus b is equal to 2. It's insane. The third one is count. What is the count function part? We are having a database with columns. There is step names, so we don't have information about how many steps are in the column. For example, name, how many steps we have in name. But we have a great function for it, that is namely count. Count counts the number of elements in the collection. If in class we are having 10 students, if we use the count function, it shows us that in this class is 10 students. The fourth one is the min, and the fifth one is the max. Min returns the minimum value in the collection. If we have 10 marks in a column, the min function is to return the minimum value. If there's 100, 90, 70, 60, so obviously the min function is telling us that the 60 is the minimum value in the collection. And also the max value returns the maximum value in a collection. So as I said previously, the maximum value will be 100 here, because we have 60, 70, 90 and 100. We will have practical work. We will see each of them, the sum, the average, the count, the min and the max. In the next video we will have practical work with it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget the next video. Thanks for watching.